Hello VCD fam, so I'm here to show you a closer look at our face masks and what they look like on. Again, our face masks are made out of 100% cotton using 4 layers of material and elastic bands that are thin, comfortable, and also sized for you. So each mask is custom made specifically for you. And two-sided, so you can wear it on either side. These are washable and reusable, so they're great for businesses that are looking to get masks for their employees instead of buying and throwing away the disposable mask. You can invest in some of these reusable masks and it's going to be a lot more affordable for you. So let's take a look at what it looks like on. So as you can see, with it closed, you can't see the design too much, but that's because of these pleats that we've put in to be able to contour the mask to the face. Once you open it, you're able to see the design perfect. And as you see, the pleats contour it to the face. Now, if you wanted to, we have these new face mask clips that we've created, so you can use them with the mask. What you would do, and I'm going to turn around so you can see how to use it. You clip the elastic right onto the clip. And not only is it going to hold the face mask closer to you, but it's also going to remove the elastic from behind your ears. Another way that you can use it is, sorry, got a little tangled. So instead of putting the elastic over your ears, you could also put the elastic under your ears, like this, and use the clip. And this works with either clip, either the new clip or our other version of the clips. So that way it removes it from behind the ear. And this is very comfortable. So this is a great technique. You could even use these clips if you have another elastic mask where the elastic is thick on you and it's uncomfortable. Our clips would be perfect to use this technique where you just put the elastic underneath your ears and make it a lot more comfortable for you to wear these masks for an extended period of time. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.